Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Induna. Remember, he is doing this case on Oludaba, Luga Velepi and the Mbambo family. The whole community is there. He is giving his verdict and finally bringing this case to an end. So he addresses the community and then he goes on to say, bawethu, we've reached the final point. Isinqumo sengisthathile. Uma nqoba ke uzohlala kwaMbambo. Then you can see most of the people, guys, bayajabula ukuthi ingane izohlala kwaMbambo. But you can see uVelephi is wiping her tears there, you guys. Induna goes on to say, angifuni umuntu ozophikisana nalento. Umuntu ophikisana nalokho uzobhekana nami ngqo. Inkulumo kaVelephi ibiyinhle kakhulu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi amanye amantombazane angangaye can learn a thing or two from what she said. Ngiyacela ke bawethu, sisihloniphe lesi sinqumo. uVelephi uzokwazi ukubona ingane noma yinini sengiqedile bawethu angibonge. And then it just ends like that. But it does look like, guys, this verdict was kind of a happy thing because uVelephi, though she cried, you guys, or she was crying or wiping a tear, she was also happy about isinqumo sakhona. But the only problem is obviously uSamke, you guys. So let's hope ukuthi uSamke in the long run, she's not going to, poison ingane about his mother. Next scene ke kwaMbalenhle, we see uVuma uhlele etafuleni ekoneni, you guys, sitting alone. He doesn't look okay. Angazi ukuthi lesi sinqumo esithathwe yinduna, isn't it supposed to make him happy? But listen, one thing about uVuma, guys, uyazithanda ingane zakhe. So obviously he is a bit hurt about what or the way things have been going down. So Samke goes to one customer and she's like, all right. Then the customer goes on to say, yeah, but stay right. uSamke then says, okay, enjoy ke. She walks over to itafula likaVuma. Then she says, wathula kangaka? Yini? Kwenze njani? All right. uVuma then says, hayi nge-right. Kodwa uyambona, guys, ukuthi uVuma akekho right. uSamke then says, hayi mina ngijabulile shame. Namhlanje ngijabule kakhulu. Things are shaping up. Yonke into endlini imnandi and I'm excited about our bright future. Ngijabule kakhulu, angifuni ukuqamba amanga nje. Izinto zihamba kahle nje, zihamba ngendlela. She goes on to say, and then enye into, uma ngoba ngizomusa e-crash and then sengikhulumile noPapsi sukela namhlanje uma ngoba uzonakekelwa uyena. But you can see, guys, uVuma, he's not interested in what she's saying. But uSamke goes on to say, ukuthi unesiqiniseko ukuthi right uVuma? uVuma's like, yeah, nge-right. uSamke then says, amaphilisi waphuzile wona ekuseni. uVuma nods his head like to say, yebo ngiwaphuzile. And then the scene just ends off with uSamke just walking off. I am wondering, guys, could it be that uVuma's coming to a realization that uSamke akekho right? Because even though this ruling yenduna favored her, but she's not supposed to be happy ngaleyo ndlela if ngempela she loves uVelephi the way she says she does. But the way she's happy, you guys, I know Vuma, maybe suspect ukuthi uSamke akekho right. Next scene, guys, we see uSibongile. She is sitting usesikolweni eResi and she looks stressed. And then uZama walks up to her. uZama's like, hayibo ma-F, yini inkinga? uSibongile akafuni ukukhuluma. uZama's like, hayibo yini inkinga Sibongile khuluma. uSibongile then says, I had a meeting with uMr. Ngobese. uMr. Ngobese uyangitshela ukuthi akuhambanga kahle. uZama's like, what do you mean mayelana ne-project? Ukunikezile ama-marks wakho, ufailile, yindaba. uSibongile goes on to say ukuthi angazi Zama if ngifailile or if ngipasile. All I know is that I've been accused of plagiarism. Bathi mina ngibophe umsebenzi kaBusi. Guys, remember uBusi ke umngani kaSibongile. That girl, uSibongile ke umkhombise her whole project. That girl went to go and copy i-project kaSibongile and then she submitted i-project way before uSibongile. Manje, it's looking like uSibongile is the one who copied that girl. uZama then says, mina ngakutshela. ngakutshela Sibongile ngale ntombazana ukuthi this girl akalungile. Usibongile then says, whoever is found guilty ngokopa is going to get expelled. Mina Zama, I can't afford to get expelled nje kanjalo. Uzama then says, kodwa ngikutshelile. Buka ke manje. And then the scene just ends like that. Guys, I really hope Usibongile doesn't get expelled from eVarsity. Ngenxa yabusi. Usibongile is too trusting, guys. Anyway, next scene in the Dlamini mansion, we see uPhetheni, she's coming down the stairs. They announced uNomfundo, guys, udwebe ufo. Not ufo, actually. She's putting her legs on top of the table there. We see umamvi umlethela magwinya nge-tray, you guys. So as uPhetheni is walking down the stairs, she's like, oh, okay. Thuli, awabona ngama-gloves wami la ngisebenza ngawo engadini. Ngifuna ungiphekele wona, please. Ngifuna ubheka ama-roses ami ukuthi ahamba kanjani. And then Mavis, when you're done ngelist yegrocer, ngicela ukuthi usijoyine engadini nawe nelisiwe. So as uPhetheni turns her head, she sees uNomfundo ukuthi uNomfundo is sitting nicely udlala namagwinya wakhe. She goes over to uNomfundo. She's like, Nomfundo. Nomfundo looks at uPhetheni and she's like, uPhetheni then says, udla amagwinya ekhawuchini. Awazi yini ukuthi sigele dining table. As she's speaking like that, uNjengaya just walks in. And then he's like, Phetty, ngisacela nje to have a word with uNomfundo. uPhetheni excuses herself, but you can see she's annoyed. And she's like, Thuli, ama-gloves, please. And then uNjengaya sits down. He's like, Nomfundo. Nomfundo's like, yebo. uNjengaya then says, bengisacela ukuxolisa kuwe. Ngixolisa ngakho konke okwenzekile. And then you can see uNomfundo, she's smiling that her man is able to humble himself and come apologize to her. uNomfundo then says, kulungile sibalukhulu. Ngiyalwamkela uxolo lwakho. And then uNjengaya then says, kuhle ke, kuhle. Ngoba nami sengiyidlulisile yonke lento. Kodwa ke awuthi ngiphuthume kwi-meeting, khona i-meeting enginayo sizokhuluma. He gets up and then he leaves uNomfundo there, but you can see uNomfundo's kind of sad. uNomfundo ngathi she's starting to realize when she was there pha kwakhe, guys, uNjengaya, he had time for her. But now that she's here, he hasn't had time for her. She was still thinking ukuthi her man is going to give her is going to say sweet words to her. While she's still smiling, uNjengaya just got up and left like that for a meeting. You can see ukuthi udanile uNomfundo. But anyway, the scene just ends like that. Next scene, guys, there kwaMbalenhle uBabsi, she is busy serving customers when uSangweni comes in. Sangweni comes in and is like, wena Babsi, uphi uma wakho? Uphi lo mthakathi ndini? uBabsi is like, yebo Sangweni, awusabulisi yini? uSangweni is like, hey, if I cared about how you feel or how you're doing, then ngizothi sawubona unjani. Manje anginandaba, ngifuna lo mthakathi. uBabsi is like, ayibo mina ngimazi uma ukuthi ukuphi. As uBabsi is serving a customer, uSangweni just takes igwinya out of one of the plates customer. He goes on to say, wonke umuntu uzokhokha ngalento eniyenzile kusisi wami. Niyezwa? He takes igwinya alihlafune, guys, and then he just spits it out on the floor kanjalo. uBabsi is like, hayibo Sangweni, uzokhokha njalo. uSangweni is like, ngizokhokha. Uzokhokha bani? Yena uSamkeya uyawakhokha for all of the things that she's done to me. Nina ngizowenza sure ukuthi nizokhokha ngalento eniyenzile kusisi wami. And then he just walks out like that. Next scene, guys, we see uPhetheni. She is sipping on some wine. She is sitting at Dlamini mansion, and then uMavis joins her. uMavis then says, ma'am, then ngisacela ukukhuluma nawe. uPhetheni then says, ungahlala. uMavis then says, ngiyabonga. uPhetheni then says, yonke into ihamba kahle. Ngabe khona into wrong ekhaya? uMavis then says, hayi ku-right mekhaya. Empelweni, what I want to talk about is you. uPhetheni is like, okay, ngami, ngifuna ukukhuluma ngami. uMavis then says, yebo ma'am. Ma'am, ngiyacela ukubuza nje, ngicela ukubuza. Ngempela. Uzothatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi ubize ispade ngespade kuleli khaya lakho? uPhetheni then says, ngibize ispade ngespade. Mavis ukhuluma ngani? uMamvi then says, ma'am, lo wesifazane ufike kwikhaya lakho njengemaid ezosebenza, kodwa manje sekathathe ikhaya lakho and futhi uyawina ma'am. Angazi noma awuboni yini lokho. And then uPhetheni just keeps quiet. uMamvi goes on to say, ma'am, you always busy nengadi yakho. Kancane uyaphuma endlini yakho. uPhetheni then says, okay Mavis, angazi uba busy kwami uhlanganaphi noNomfundo. Umam V then says, ma'am, yingoba ngiyakubona uzama uzenzela injabulo ngaphandle wekhaya lakho. Ma'am, ngiyacela ungavumeli uNomfunda wenze kanje. Ngiyacela ungayivumeli lento. Akuyona impilo le. Owami umem engimaziyo uyi-boss lady. Ungixolele ma'am for meddling in your family affairs. Kodwa angikwazi nje ukumelana with all these things ezenzakalayo kuleli khaya. uPhetheni then says, ay nami angifuni yonke lento Mavis kodwa ngenzela unjengayo. uMavis then says ukuthi uyabona lento engishoyo wenzela omunye umuntu wena. What about you? Umedem wami uthuthile la wena akasekho. Owami umedem, she would have got up alwe amelesi simo ale nalo njengayo wakhona. uPhetheni just keeps quiet, you guys, but you can see ukuthi amazwi kaMam V are hitting home. And then uMam V then says, ngicela ukuhamba medem bengisacela ukuyobuyela emsebenzini ngiyoqedelela umsebenzi wami. And then the scene just ends like that. I get next scene uSibongile is sitting esikolweni. She is looking down uprasana ne phone, you guys, when this Busi girl joins her. When uBusi joins uSibongile, she's like, hey my friend, nahlala. uSibongile then says, sawubona Busi. uBusi then says, how awusho-ke? Yindaba today you didn't come and sit next to me eklasini. Yini mngani? Sixabene. uSibongile then says, unesibindi. So kungibuza lento ngibuza yona, knowing very well ukuthi wena wenzeni. uBusi acts confused and then she's like, knowing very well what? uSibongile then says, musungiyanzi slim. Ngiyazi ukuthi wenzeni. Ngiyazi ukuthi untshontshe iproject yami. I spoke no Mr. Ngobese about it this morning. Busi, obungasho ngani ukuthi project yaqaka ngoba mina bengizokusiza. uBusi then says, yazini Sibongile ima. Just stop. Ngoba angazi mina ukhuluma ngani. If anyone stole a project between us, it's you. uSibongile like, angizwanga. uBusi then says ukuthi ngizwe kahle. For sure you copied my work when I came to you for help. Yazi mangaza Sibongile. How dare you steal my hard work and make it your own? Whereas mina njengomngani wakho, as she's speaking like that, uSibongile aba, she's saying to herself, guys, ngeke ngiyimele le. She just aqoqa izinto zakhe etafileni and she just walks and she leaves. uBusi nje kanjalo. uBusi left there smiling. I'm just like, le ntombazane ikhohlakele. How can she smile at such a thing? I get next scene uvele puse kamereni like you guys, and she is pressing her phone when umnyango, the door opens and then she's like, ubani. Uvuma walks in, guys, uphethe uManqoba, uphethe nempuphu, and I'm just like, guys, shame. Yazi uVuma, he's a real father, you guys. And then uVuma, when he gets in, he says, uManqoba, ubani lo Manqoba, ubani lo. uVelephi, guys, she rushes to uManqoba. uVelephi is like, Manqoba, waza kumana. She takes him, you guys. She goes on to saying, ngicine nini? Yeah, boy. Fanama. And then uVuma then says, ngiyabona ukuthi you gave your place a makeover. uVelephi then says, hangizamile baba. The way she's so excited, you guys. uVuma then says, kuhle impela. Nanguma wakho ke Manqoba kade umfuna. uVelephi then says, baba ngiyabonga ukuthi ungilethele yena, yazi ngiyabonga impela. You can see, guys, uVelephi, she's so excited. uVuma then says, ngumntanakho Velephi. Wena owamlethe emhlabeni, futhi nothing will ever change that. uVelephi, guys, she's playing nengane. You can see uVuma, he is a bit bothered. He then says, Velephi. uVelephi then says, bab. uVuma then says, bengifuna ukuthi mntanami ungabuya kini ekhaya if you are ready. Angikwazi ukuhlukanisa umama nengane. Angikwazi. Ngifuna wazi njengobaba wakho. I will always be there to support you. Then Velephi then says, ngiyabonga baba kakhulu futhi. And in the scene just ends like that. Last scene, uPhakamani benoKwenzo are about to go out to have some drinks. Manje uKwenzo is waiting for uPhakamani emotweni. As uPhakamani is coming out, he's approaching the car. He gets a phone call from uQina. He answers the phone call. uQina is like, Phakamani. Aba guys, they can't hear each other. uPhakaman's like, hello, Qina. uQina's like, Phakamani, we need to speak, uyangizwa. uPhakaman's like, Qina, awuphentshi isilami uyangizwa yini? That time, guys, ulokhuzana uKwenzo is listening to this whole thing, and uKwenzo can catch on ukuthi hayi man, this Gcina is the same Gcina kaVusi. But all we see, because the episode ends there, we just see ukuthi uKwenzo, he's got this facial expression yokuthi it can't be, you guys, and then the episode just ends like that. Let's park it right there, guys. You tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys on the next one.